Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today we're going to be taking a look at our 2018 28-foot Boston Whaler Outrage. I'll go through some of the notable options and features of this boat. This boat is white. It has the gray graphics. It has a windlass with a stainless steel plow anchor. We've ordered her with the white motors. This boat also has underwater lights, Bennett electric trim tabs, rod holders in the transom, has a standard boarding ladder, walk-through transom door, has a tackle station with a live well, sink, rod holders, cup holders, tackle storage aft. We have the fold down aft seat. The helm seats are bolster style with arm rests. At the helm, this boat has a tilt wheel, two Raymarine hybrid touch screens, vessel view, active trim, a Fusion stereo, and over to the side you'll see the VHF radio, as well as a glove box. Forward to fixed windshield with the vent, overhead storage, and life jacket storage. The metalwork is all powder coated. It does have the Taco Grand Slam outriggers. It's a marine head. Storage for the table forward. Your electrical panel. Forward we have seating. Windlass with a remote. Sun pad with storage underneath. This boat has two seats on the side for trolling and for fishing. They fold down, one on each side. Very handy, gets you out of the sun. Very good for trolling. This is our 2018 28-foot Boston Whaler Outrage. Thank you.